I just want to show you that I got it set. When I turn the gear now, it plays. This cam is going around. This notch is going to catch in that cam. And then here on top, it did it, but I moved it. Here on top, this arm here is going to drop and hit that warning pin, and this arm here is going to drop into the notch on that cam of that gear when all this takes place. I'm pulling on it and it's not moving. That's because I don't know if you can see it or not. This warning pin is hitting this tab on this lever that comes up. I still got to take this thing apart and clean it. I just wanted to know whether or not it was serviceable. I always like testing out my movements before I take them apart. And so the cuckoo bird activates when I put pressure on the time. The crutch and birch assembly is ticking away. I'd probably put this movement back together as it is and the clock would work, but because I have it out, I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. Beautiful little movement. Different. God bless.